started. Wait, actually, let me just flip that over. Okay.
Yes, okay, so there is one other pot stand I've made. Here's my pot, there's on there, and you'll see that it's just a triangle, bent round with a screw holding it together. It's possible to bend it out or bend it in, depending on the size of the hole in the top of the can. The idea of it is that because it's a bit higher, it acts as a tube. It may give a bit more lift and therefore a bit more airflow, like the beginning of a chimney. And because it's got these sides, it will fit small cans or larger cans. That was the idea of it. However, I've found that the efficiency is comparatively poor. It's poor even when I've tried to insulate the metal. It should be possible to do it with more clever insulation, etc. But I have given up on it for now, at least. Right, that's the end of that afterthought. The other afterthought is that I've been looking at fan specifications, and I've rigged up a very primitive manometer to measure the pressure of a fan. And in doing that, this fan, which I rather like because they're very cheap, they cost about £1 a piece. Now if you buy 10 or more, the air goes in here, it's spun, and so it's pressing against the outer walls and comes out here. But a lot of it also gets spun right round more than once, and some of that actually leaks out. So if I close off the sort of front-facing side and only leave it that the air can get out of the back side of it, my manometer test showed that I actually get about 40% more pressure of gas, pressure of air coming through. Now that could be useful because I've come to the conclusion that this fan is not really strong enough to compare with the fan that Dave Lello uses, and it may work better if I do that on the Dave Lello style coal stove, which has to supply quite high pressure and a lot of air. In fact, there's no reason I think why I might even be able to rig up two of these things, since they cost only about £1 a piece. And in real volume, I expect less than £1, probably $1 or so. So those are the two afterthoughts. That the fan needs attention, and it may work better closing some of it off. Or I could even use two of them. That's it.